Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Family Nutrition Program, and today we're going to make melon kebabs. Now, it's a good idea before you start any recipe that you wash your hands and clean your cooking surface. I've just done that, so I'm ready to get started. For this recipe, you need 3 types of melon. We've got our cantaloupe, watermelon, and honeydew melon. Before you cut into your melon, you want to scrub the outside with a veggie brush under running water. That's a good idea because you're probably thinking, I'm not going to eat the outside, but your knife is going from the outside through what you are going to eat. So it is always a good idea to scrub the outside of your fruits and vegetables, even if you're not eating the outside. So I was able to get 1 cup of melon from a half of each melon and a little bit more. I cut the melons in half, scooped out the seeds and discarded those, and then turned it over onto its flat side. It's always easier to cut when something is flat. Then I sliced the melon and cut with a paring knife the fruit off the rind of the melon. Then with those pieces, I cut them into the bite-sized chunks. For this recipe, you need skewers or wooden popsicle sticks, and this is the part that kids could really get into. And you are going to thread your melon onto the skewers. It would be fun to do, a pattern. You could do 2 honeydew, 2 cantaloupe, and 2 watermelon. You could do one with all watermelon, all cantaloupe, or all honeydew. It's up to you. Isn't that cute? As with any fruit or perishable food, you want to make sure you refrigerate this within 2 hours of putting it together, and definitely the cooler the better with these skewers. If you want to serve them with vanilla yogurt as like a dipping sauce, you could do that, or you could drizzle it on top. And this is just a really great, healthy snack for you to enjoy on a hot summer day. And you can see that it makes a lot because this was just from half the melon. So we could sit here all day and skewer melon. I've just finished up my 4th skewer, and I can't wait to eat this delicious treat that is also very good for us. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time.